Hey, how you doing? We need to do a records request.
Yeah.
What do we need? We need ID.
Yes.
Where the hell is my ID?
Are you guys, your camera's on?
Yeah, we record everything we do with the government.
Okay, you're gonna have to put everything in there.
All right. State Attorney's Office. They're gonna come talk to us. We're gonna do a records request.
Sir, stand right here. Mr. Samaya said he's coming.
This is a public building, ma'am.
Yeah, he's gonna come downstairs. He called and said to wait for him downstairs.
Security, but she wants some park orders.
This area is accessible to the public.
Public area.
State Attorney's Office COVID testing site. Here we have our State Attorney, Miss Catherine Fernandez Rundle. Richard E. Gersten, the building across the street is named after him. We have this lady, they should take her name off the wall and they should burn that picture. Janet Reno. Who said my name? How you doing?
Here. I think like un poquito aquí, ¿no? Para que...
Her name is Buddy.
Good morning, security. Okay.
RAGO Monkey.
Oh, that's RAGO Monkey.
No, I don't understand why we can't go upstairs. They won't let us upstairs because we got cameras. But everybody else can go upstairs.
So let's go. That's what we're doing, right?
Information office.
Nobody come. Why is somebody coming down for a public records request, man?
Hi, good morning. Juan Carlos? Hi, it's Neil Taylor. I need this
Position here?
the office in Braden.
What's your position here? Okay.
Okay.
I need a public records request. Do I get it here?
And how do we make a complaint?
Yeah, it's right on the card. You don't have the card?
Government employee, I'm trying to file a complaint with the State Attorney's Office. I'm trying to get a lawsuit.
What I'm explaining to you is the card.
My civil rights were deprived by a government employee. I was denied access to a government meeting.
One office is in Bradenton, Florida.
And the state law says that I have to go through the State Attorney's Office.
And I want you to send it to the Bradenton office.
No, man. Well, yes, I did, actually. Yes, I did. I did file a police report. Yes, I did.
Everything.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Man, we'll be back.
Come on, we'll talk.
How you doing?
We'll talk outside.
How you guys doing? We came to the information window.
Yeah. I'm gonna instruct you on something.
We got two issues, guys.
All right.
I understand.
RAGO Monkey?
No, me, sir.
No, RAGO Monkey?
No, I don't know who the RAGO Monkey is.
Me, sir, me.
All right, brother.
How you doing? I'm doing all right, man.
Bruce.
How you doing, man?
Thank you for wearing pink.
All right, guys. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month here in the state of Florida.
So let me explain something.
Yes, sir. Go for it.
Because of the sensitive nature where we have victims and witnesses coming into this office, I cannot allow you to film it.
Is there a law? What's your name, by the way? First
I'm Emiliano Tamayo. I'm the Chief of Investigations.
Is
for
there
the
a
state
statute
attorney.
law about what you're talking about?
There is. I'm
Can
not
you show it to
familiar
me?
with
Because
it.
this is the public.
I don't have to show it to you. What I do
We
have
got
to tell you.
Cameback.
Come on.
gentlemen.
Come on. So
Don't, you
Come
just
on.
touched me. I'm not.
Are we being trespassed from the building?
I'm not touching you.
Are we being
I'm not doing
trespassed?
my public records request. I'm not going outside. Sorry.
Come
Have a
on.
nice day.
So now let me ask you a question. We need to do a records request. How can we do that?
Here,
work for-
here, I'm gonna tell you.
But why do we have to do it outside?
Because we're gonna do it outside because
But-
I have witnesses coming in.
Yeah.
Come on.
Now, can we go to an interview room?
No. Come in. Come on. I'm gonna talk to
because
you
sir,
outside.
last time I did it this way, and no, you guys never returned my call, never returned my email.
I am. I'm gonna give you all the information.
Okay,
you want.
I spoke with Juan Prado, and he never. We did it this way, and
Just
I'm
take
gonna-
a second.
Listen, I'm gonna do what we're gonna do. Come this way.
are you trespassing me from the building?
No, I'm not
Because,
trespassing.
sir,
I
we
just
wanna
want to
talk to you
talk
out
to
here
you
because
outside
we don't
of
want
the
people
witness.
Can we go to an
Here.
interview room? Please take us to an
There's
interview.
no interview
Yes, there
room.
are, sir.
Come
This
here.
is the state attorney's office. There has to be an interview
I am
room.
going to talk to you out here, so you and I can have a conversation.
Okay, what if I
And
turn off? If I turn off my camera, can we go to an interview room?
If you look, so it's not a matter of you filming me. It doesn't matter. What I want to explain to you, if you send me an email with a public records request, I will get you your information.
Sir, I emailed you because you're criminal investigations, right? Chief of investigations.
Yeah.
I filed the complaint on Tamayo. I'm Prado.
But here,
And you never responded, sir.
you never emailed
Yes,
me.
sir.
I have not
And-
received anything from you.
And I filed my
Here.
complaint. Okay, you know who I'm talking about, Juan Prado, right?
I don't know who that is.
Okay, we went outside and I made my complaint with the
You-
state attorney's
sir,
office and he never responded to
Sir,
me.
sir, you and I have never spoken.
Not you, Prado, sir. I have everything on camera.
But listen, you have my information. I am the chief.
Okay, now let me explain to you my situation. I went to a public meeting. The state of Florida says I have my constitutional rights in the state of Florida says I have the right to access a public meeting. True or false?
Yes.
Okay, I was denied access to a public meeting. The state law says that to file my lawsuit, I must go through the state attorney's office. You understand?
We don't-
Because I was denied access by
We-
government employees.
Okay, so we don't deal what you're alleging there with a violation of rights is not with the state attorney's
Sir,
office.
the statute in the Florida statute says it has to be done by the state attorney's office. Sir, I can bring you the statute.
Bring me the statute or email it to me. Send me your request in writing, and I will send you the information that you need. Okay?
Now, my records request. I would like to do my records request in person.
You can send it to me on email. I'm the one that
Sir, Florida statute 119.07 allows me to file my records request in person.
You can do it through an email to me.
I
that
can do
way-
it in person, sir. It's a misdemeanor to deny me my records request.
Listen, send me an email. Don't be difficult.
You're being difficult.
I'm trying to help you.
The law
I'm-
says I can access my
I'm
records
trying to
in
help
person.
you. All right.
If I want to if I want to see the records, they need to be readily accessible. Florida statute 119.07.
They are readily accessible, but there's a process. You have to file.
My records request, and you're not allowing me to, sir.
But I'm making it easier for you.
No, I want to do it in
all you
person.
have
I'm
to
already
do-
here. I'm
all
already
you have
here.
to do is send me an
No,
email.
I want to do my records request in person, sir. Florida law allows me to do my records request in person. Are you denying me access to my records?
I'm not denying you anything, son. What I'm trying
I'm not
to
your
do-
son. You're not my father. Get that right.
I don't want you to get in a situation where you're doing something.
I'm not doing
that
anything.
is-
You're the one violating law. I have the right by Florida statute 119.07 to access records in person. Look up the law, sir. You don't know the law.
When
Are you an attorney, sir?
listen, I've been doing police work for 30 years. So
Sir,
I know. The
I've been
law.
doing records request law for the last 3 years. This
So
is what
you
I
know
do.
that you have to make a formal request.
In person, I'm allowed to do
You
my
don't
records.
have
He has the info on making a public records request. We
Sir,
know
I can do
Okay,
it in the
good.
records department. I can do it in person. Florida statute 119.07, sir. That's the statute that.
Fine, sir. We're not denying you to do that. We have a process. She's got it. Your partner has it. I wrote it down.
I can do it in person with the records custodian. Where's the custodian of records? Where's the custodian of records, sir?
Unfortunately-
Is upstairs.
Unfortunately, that's not the way we do it here. But
No, sir. That's the way they do it in the state of Florida. You don't understand the law. Florida statute 119.07. Learn the law, sir.
we facilitated a way to do it. You're welcome to do it that way.
I can do it in person, sir. What if I don't have a computer?
There's no expectation of privacy.
You
You
have
can
a phone?
send us a letter. I can give you an
I
address.
can go upstairs and
You
do
have
it
a
in
phone.
person. I
You
can
have a phone.
I can do it in
You
person.
can send me an
Sir,
email.
that's not what the law says. I go by the law, sir. You're telling me stuff. I go by the law. Florida Statute 119.07 says I can do my records request in
Very
person.
much aware of what we do.
It's
So we don't come here to antagonize anybody or any of y'all.
I like what
The
you're saying.
problem
I'm
that
being
I
serious.
But listen, the
She
problem
said
that
we-
but the problem that I have is this. The problem that I have is that you're filming inside an area
So
where
what's your goal?
victims and witnesses
To educate the
come.
government on Florida's on public records law.
Okay,
I do this all over the state.
no problem, we know.
So then why is this public lobby? This is for the public.
This is for the public.
Anything my eyes can see, I can film. You can't trespass my eyes. You gotta create your own privacy and then have a private walkway. If you don't want them
what
to
I'm
see
asking
your
you-
witnesses,
what I'm
or a private hallway, a cave, so they can go through the cave and not through the public. This is
I'm
legal.
asking
First
you-
Amendment protected
Well,
activity.
listen, I will support you on that.
Doesn't
But
look like you're
I don't,
supporting you.
I am
You guys look like
supporting
you're
you.
scared of the camera.
No, I'm not afraid of the camera.
I know, okay, but
I've
what
been
you're
on the
doing,
camera.
you're
I've been in
barking.
front
I
of the
know, I
camera
see.
all my
I know.
life.
Okay, so why is this bothering you?
It wasn't that. It was
Sir, where's the records department? Just
Me, I actually don't know.
it's upstairs, right? There has to be a records
Ask you to
department.
write a letter or send an
Listen,
email.
I do most. I get records from the state attorney's office. I do them online. I email Miami SAO. I know the process.
Email me.
But sir,
But if you know the process,
sir,
why are you
sir,
being
sir,
difficult?
sir, I'm not being difficult.
I'm trying to help you.
Sir, I'm not being difficult. The law says that I'm allowed to do my records request in person. That's what the law says. Florida Statute
But if
119.07.
you've done it before.
I just want to see if you guys respect the law. You're not
I do.
You're not.
Listen,
You're not respecting the law.
Have I disrespected you? Have I disrespected the law? No.
Tamayo,
What I am,
you've sent me records without knowing because I filed my records anonymously. I know because your name is on the email, so I know you send me records.
so if I'm complying with your request,
Yeah,
what's the issue?
but you're not complying with the Florida law that says I can do my records in person, sir. That's the law.
Send me-
And sir, every time the state attorney has a press conference, the media comes here with their cameras.
But that's, notice one thing, they don't film here. We go to another area and the press conference is held there. They don't film in here.
But the media films in this building, sir. So don't.
And the fourth floor where we have the
Can we
press
go up to the
conference.
fourth floor?
body cam video from my kids.
Come on, now you're wasting.
Because it's a double standard, sir.
No, it's not a double standard. Now you're wasting my time.
We're not wasting
So,
your time,
you
sir.
want help? I'm here to help you.
We're showing that there's a double standard for the mainstream news and for the independent journalists.
No, there isn't. Whenever you want to attend a press conference, just file the paperwork and
Okay, I want to do my records request, sir,
do
in
whatever
person.
you want, man. You know, at this point,
So
I'm telling you,
I could go upstairs, do
no,
whatever
you
I
can't.
want.
No, you can't.
But you just said I could do whatever I want.
What I said is do whatever you want as far as filming. Continue to film.
Okay, so Tamayo, how do I file a complaint on you?
Just send me an email.
I can't. I'm a file a
Why are you gonna file a complaint? Let me ask you this.
violation of Florida Statute 119.01.
I haven't violated it.
Yes, you have.
All I've asked
You're
you-
denying me access to public records.
What-
It's a misdemeanor.
What I've asked
What,
you,
what, one, 119.10.
What I've
It's a violation of Florida law.
So where do we move on from there? You got it. What
Well,
do you want?
you guys are protected by the corrupt state attorney, so there's nothing I can do. There's
The
there's
beauty-
nothing
the
I can
beauty is You're
do.
entitled to your opinion. So what else can we help you with?
No, you can't help me. You're
So are we done?
you're impeding me, sir. You're
No, how am I
impeding me.
impeding you?
I want to file my records request in person, sir.
You got it. He's got an email. She's already spoke to your partner. And
I
explained.
have the email, sir. I file records requests with the state attorneys all the time.
I just want to know how long you're gonna take.
I'm not gonna
Because
disclose
we gotta
that.
help other folks. I just want to know how long you're gonna take. And
I'm gonna go to
what else
the
you
okay. I'm gonna go to the information window.
You want to get it from them? You
No,
want to get the information
no.
from them?
I'm gonna ask one more question from the information
I'll
window,
help you. Come on, let's go.
I'm not telling you from
Up.
but I'm gonna wait for my friend to be done.
Oh, we're gonna wait for him.
I just need to ask.
Your partner
Now,
wants to ask a quick question in the window, and he wants to go.
now my question is,
I'm hungry. I want to go, man.
what information?
Talk to you.
I have a question. I have a question. What information can we get from that window that's different from you guys?
It's up to
Probably
you.
the same thing, but we'll let you get the benefit.
So what are you guys doing here? Because we went to the information window first.
So here's
We went to the information
here's
window
what
to
they're
ask.
gonna do,
Like, you guys were
right?
gonna
They're
be
gonna take your
aggressive to
information.
my guys.
They're
I
gonna
need
send
to
it
talk
to the
them.
department that handles the public records request.
Okay, so why did
And
you
then-
come down here?
Because
We went to the
because you're
window.
causing a disturbance.
We did it,
here.
sir. We went to do the process. We went to the window and we asked the lady, and then you came down.
Because you can't film in here with
Sir,
my victims and witnesses
Sir.
and my lawyers coming in.
Show me the administrative order that prevents us from filming here.
Listen, as soon as I
Show me
get
the
it-
state attorney's order.
You want to go? You waiting for him? He's waiting for you.
He says I can't film here. Where's the order by Captain Fernandez Rondo that says we can't film
I
here?
want to
I'll
protect
make it
my
basic.
witness.
I'll tell you why, and maybe you'll understand.
He explained
I
it
mean,
to
he
me,
did. He explained it?
but this is publicly accessible.
No,
Every
he's here to protect the
every
victim.
victim, every witness needs to be taken to an interview room.
I will die.
That's what the state attorney has to do.
I will die.
Don't touch
Just
me
think
again.
of this.
You be touching
They
me.
have
He
to come in
said-
and they have
I
to
know
sit
how I
down.
feel, bro.
So they're vulnerable there.
So let's go. Let's go.
No. You guys
You don't wanna
informed
go
us.
there.
No, when he's done, we're
You're
leaving.
right.
Okay.
To do what you're doing.
Okay, but you're not dying for our rights right now. There's freedom of
Because-
press. You're telling us to
because
get
what
out.
you're doing,
So I don't believe you.
What you're doing is you're jeopardizing my witnesses,
And
my
that's
witness,
was
filming
there
my
anybody,
witness.
she was saying, did you guys film anybody that they were getting tested?
No, you
No.
turn around in a
Because
circle.
that's
You're
HIPAA,
going around in a
okay?
circle.
But HIPAA applies to medical staff, not to us.
Go,
No,
go.
but you guys,
But
I
if
got
there was a
hungry, bro.
He said he's done. When you're done, you're
I'm done,
done.
man. I'm done.
HIPAA applies to medical staff, not to us. But we're here for records requests. We're not here to film victims.
I
We're
got it,
here.
but I totally understand it. So
That's all
next
it is.
time you guys
There's
want
no
a
law
records
statute that you
request, I
said. We
gave
go
them
by
the
the law, not by
information.
policies. You
Just
can
go
have, you
ahead,
can have
write
signs
it
up,
there,
and that's policy,
and-
bro. The
and you
law
get it,
beats the
okay?
policies.
No
You have
problem.
signs
We're
over there
all
on
here
your
to
cell
help you.
phone.
119.07.
There's no statute law on that.
We-
Take that to court and see who wins. I don't want to do that, but I'm just educating you guys on that.
Well, you have a right to
on
do
that.
Yes, listen, do what you
That's
want.
it. That's it. I'm gonna get to that.
Okay,
All right.
and you're gonna see, you're gonna get your stuff,
All
All
okay?
right, guys.
I'm supposed to.
Very unprofessional government employees at the state attorney's
Look at
office.
this camera, bro. Don't be scared of it.
What do you expect when you have a corrupt state attorney like Catherine Fernandez Rondo? You can't expect much.
Y'all understand, man. I'm telling you,
All right,
boy,
guys.
As long as you've been a police officer, come on, man. First Amendment, look it up.
I'll sign my autograph.
Florida statute 119.07 allows us to file a records request in person.
Got it.
You guys
Thank
are very unprofessional.
Thank you for teaching us.